very good morning, dear kids. Welcome to our English class. Last period we have started the lesson A Visit to Jaipur. This lesson we have started. Half of the lesson we have completed. Now we are going to continue this lesson. In this first chapter, in the first part we have learned here Riya was writing letter to her friend Raja about her trip to Jaipur. This chapter is written in form of the informal letter. So she was asking about her friend Raja, about his new school, about his health, as well as did he made new friends there. And they reached, Riya and her family reached to the Jaipur. First of all, they saw the magnificent palace. It's an elegant, splendid fort. Its name is Amber Palace. When they entered the Amber Palace, so they went through the Suraj Pole. It's a sun gate, which leads to the Jaleb Chowk. And when they enter the Amber Fort through the Suraj Pole, which leads to the Jaleb Chowk. And this Suraj Pole is moving towards the Jaleb Chowk. It's a main courtyard, main open yard. Courtyard means a open area. This area could be viewed by women, and this Jaleb Chowk viewed by women from the windows of the palace, and all the women were watching through these windows of the palace. From Jaleb Chowk, a beautiful stairway leads up to the main palace. And this Jaleb Chowk, there were a beautiful stairway, means a set of steps, and these steps are moving towards the main palace. We were happy that the guide was with us, as there were many narrow alleys and confusing turns. He took us through the various courtyards. Here the Riya and her family were very happy because of the narrow alleys. Alleys means streets. Narrow streets as well as confusing turns, so they were happy. He took us through the various courtyards, and he took to all of them through the various courtyards, alleys and temples of the fort. These had brilliant mirror work and stone patterns. And in this palace there were brilliant mirror work and stone patterns were there. Our next stop was the Hawa Mahal. Their next step is they have seen Hawa Mahal. This is the picture of Hawa Mahal from the Jaipur. The Palace of the Winds is known as Hawa Mahal. It's known as another name. It's called the Palace of the Winds. It was built by Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh in 1799, and this Hawa Mahal was built by the Maharaj Savai Pratap Singh in 1799. The Hawa Mahal is made of red and pink stones. The Hawa Mahal is made up of red and pink stones, and from the outside it looks like a beautiful honeycomb. And if you look from the outside, it looks like a honeycomb. Honeycomb means beehive, where the bees collect honey and kept there, storing the hue in the comb, storing the honey in the comb. So it's called honeycomb. So it's look like a honeycomb, this Hawa Mahal. Every room in this palace has different colored marble walls. In this palace there were each and every room were different color with a marble walls. The royal ladies used to watch processions, festivals from the 953 windows that were built for them. The royal ladies were watching from these windows How many windows there are? There were 953. All the ladies were watching through these windows. All processions. Processions means procession. Processions means here people or vehicles moving forward in a queue. Group of peoples with the vehicles, they are moving forward in a queue. It's called processions. So dear kids, all of you write these words, new words in your notebook and learn the meaning, okay? And festivals from the 953 windows that were built for them. They means for the women, for the royal ladies. They were not permitted to mix with the commoners outside. The royal ladies has not permitted to meet the common peoples. Since it was past lunchtime and we had breakfast for long back, we were very hungry. And Ria and her family they are walking far away, so they were getting hungry. They had breakfast for long back, but now they are getting hungry. Our driver suggested a restaurant that served traditional Rajasthani food. And our driver he knows the restaurant traditional Rajasthani food wherever available, he knows. We were in for a pleasant surprise as the food was served on silverware. We all are surprised and pleasant. Pleasant means happy, glad to see, or were surprised to see the food were served on the silverware. Silverware, it's a dish, silver coating plates. The food was served in a silver coated plates. The royal interiors with golden and marble panels on the walls took us back in time. We had pyaz ki kachori, deep fried flour dough filled with fried onions and spices, gatte ki sabji, chickpea dumpling cooked in spicy sauce, and rice. This is the favorite food or famous food in the Rajasthan or Jaipur. They ate pyaz ki kachori. It's a deep fried flour dough filled with fried onions and spices. With gatte ki sabji, it's chickpea dumplings cooked in spicy sauce. It's another dish, gatte ki sabji. It's a curry, and they have to eat with the rice. We also drank soothing. Soothing means soft or fresh. They drank soothing mildly flavored buttermilk. They drank mildly or fresh buttermilk. The restaurant had an outdoor seating arrangement. The restaurant had arranged the seating arrangement outside the restaurant. So we watched the beautiful sunset that evening, and they were watching the sunset while taking their meal. We were all very happy to be eating such royal food in a superb palace. And they were all are happy eating the royal food in a superb place. The next day we visited the city palace. Next day they visited the city palace, the Jantar Mantar and the Mansagar lake. In the city palace they have seen Jantar Mantar and Mansagar lake. The city of Jaipur is bright and colorful with beautiful palaces. Yes, there were more palaces, fort. So it's called Jaipur is bright and colorful with beautiful palaces. Because of they use the different marbles on the wall, mirrors, as well as they use the pink and red stones and decorated these forts and hills. I will write to you about the second day of our visit in my next letter. Riya is telling to Raja. She will write a letter to him about the second day wherever they visited the city palace. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed reading my letter. I would love to know how your holiday went. Riya is hoping that you have enjoyed my letter, and I would love to know how your holidays went. She wanted to know how you spent your holidays. Lots of love, Riya. She is taking, at last she wrote her name, Riya. Okay, informal letter we have to write our name at last of the letter. Did you get me, dear kids? All of you read these lessons carefully and write the new words in your notebook. Learn the new words. Read the lessons 2 times. Did you get me?